Hi students, how are you? I hope each one among you are doing great and well. Welcome to Supnet's classes. This is Rahmat Latif, your biology educator. In this session, we are going to learn part 1 of human reproduction. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to remember that we humans are viviparous, not oviparous. Now the question might be, ma'am, what's the difference between viviparous and oviparous? Right? Viviparous are those organisms which feed their young ones through mammary glands. Humans just feed their offsprings, their young ones, through their mammary glands. Moreover, what we do, we have particular gestation period for which we just put for which we just keep baby inside our body, inside our womb, right? Oviparous, ovi means ovum, means egg. Oviparous are egg-laying organism. These are those organisms which lays or eggs. Okay, like we have so many birds, right? Like we have hen, we have crow, we have parrot, we have pigeon, so on and so forth, right? You know, we have some what we call it as reproductive events. We have some reproductive events in human beings. I'll write them one by one. First of all, what would be the, what we call it as, what's the first reproductive event that took place inside any body, be that uh, male or female? What will happen? Gametogenesis, right? Gametogenesis means formation of gametes. Gametogenesis means formation of gametes, right? It's of two types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Okay. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperm which will take place inside males, not in females. Okay. And oogenesis simply means formation of female gamete inside females, obviously, right? This is the first reproductive event which will take place inside each and every organism. In males, it's known as spermatogenesis, formation of sperms, and in females, it's known as oogenesis, means formation of egg or ovum. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now, after gametogenesis, what will happen? The process is known as insemination. Now gametes formation took place. Now male gamete has to travel to the female body, to the female gamete, in order to fuse, right? In order to fuse with that. So second event is known as insemination. Okay, transfer of male gamete, that is sperm, into the female genital tract, into the female body. Okay, female genital tract, or we can say vagina simply, right? This is the second event which will take place inside humans, inside viviparous organisms. After insemination, what will happen? Now male gamete come, it came inside the vagina, inside the female genital tract. Now this male gamete, this sperm, will fuse with female gamete, and that is known as fertilization. That is known as fertilization. Okay, let me write it down. Third event is fertilization. Fertilization simply means fusion of male and female gamete, obviously inside which body? Male body or female body? Obviously inside female body. Fusion of male and female gamete, right? This is known as fertilization. After fertilization, what will happen? After fertilization, what will happen? Zygote formation will take place. Zygote formation will take place. What is zygote formation? What do we mean by zygote formation? Zygote formation simply means here comes sperm and then comes ovum. Their fusion will lead to zygote formation, right? Their fusion will lead to zygote. Their fusion will lead to zygote formation, okay? Now zygote will be formed. After zygote, this zygote will get converted into embryo and it will finally form blastocyst. What will it form? It will simply form blastocyst. Okay, please remember. I'll write it down. Blastocyst formation will take place. Blastocyst formation will take place. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. After blastocyst, I mean embryo, offspring will remain inside female body for a period of time. And that period for which females keep their babies inside their womb is known as gestation period. Gestation period. And many of you might know that gestation period in humans it's 9 months. Gestation period of humans is 9 months, right? Gestation period of humans is 9 months. 9 months is the gestation period of humans. Talking about cats, they have 2 months gestation period. Talking about dogs, gestation period of dogs is approximately 2 months, right? Talking about horse, let me erase it. Talking about horse, it's 11 to 12 months, approximately 1 year. And talking about elephants, it's about 22 months. That's approximately 2 years, right? Not a joke. Gestation period is the period for which female keeps their, young ones, offsprings inside their body. Okay. I hope this concept is clear, right? And there is the major difference between males and females, and the difference is that sperm formation continues even in old man. Okay, sperm formation continues even in old man, right? But talking about ovum formation, egg formation, it ceases. It ceases around the age of 50 years, which is termed as menopause. I'll discuss these terms: menopause, menarche. I'll discuss all of these terms in our upcoming sessions. But for now, please remember sperm formation continues even in old man, but ovum formation ceases around the age of 50 years. Okay, I hope this concept is crystal clear. Let's move forward. Let's move forward. Now we will discuss male reproductive system. Okay. Male, as we know, male reproductive system or female reproductive system is located in pelvis region, right? Region below abdomen. Region below abdomen is known as pelvis region, in which our reproductive system are located, right? And talking about male reproductive system, first of all, consists of pair of it consists of pair of testes, right? It consists of pair of testes. Further, it consists of ducts, various ducts. Okay, it consists like we have epididymis, vas deferens, vas efferentia. Okay, we have epididymis, vas deferens, vas efferentia, and in glands we have seminal vesicle, we have prostate gland, we have bulbourethral gland, and finally we have male external genitalia. External genitalia, which is known as penis. Male external genitalia known as penis. Okay. Talking particularly about testes, they are situated inside a cavity. That cavity is known as scrotum. Testes are situated inside a cavity. That cavity is known as scrotum. Testes are situated inside a pouch-like structure that is known as scrotum. Why are they located in a pouch-like structure? Why they aren't like our other organs? Okay, this is the question. It's because scrotum maintains low temperature, normal than low temperature than normal body temperature. It maintains approximately 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and it maintains lower temperature of our body, that is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lesser. Okay, now, why is it necessary to maintain the temperature of testes? Why it can't be, it can't be exactly 37 degrees Celsius? Why it need to be 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the normal temperature? Because it helps in spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperm that will form fully. Okay, nothing would occur to spermatogenesis if there would be lower temperature, but if temperature will exceed, spermatogenesis will get affected. That's why they are kept inside a pouch like structure known as scrotum. Moreover, testes are they are oval in shape. Testes are oval in shape with a length of 4 to 5 centimeter and a width of about 2 to 3 centimeter. This is length, this is width. I hope this concept is clear, right? You know, each testis has about 250 compartments. Compartments just like rooms, okay? Each testis has about 250 compartments. 250 compartments and each testes, and those compartments are known as testicular lobules. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Each testis has 250 compartments, and each compartment is known as testicular lobule. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. And see, I'll show you like this. Say for example, this is testes. Okay, Now I'm saying each testes has about 250 compartments like this. 250. Since I can't draw 250 here, but they are 250. And inside testicular lobule, we have 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules like this. 1, 2, 3 seminiferous tubules. 1, 2, 3. Here we have also 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means in general we can say we have 250 compartments, 250 testicular lobules, okay? We have 250 testicular lobules, and inside inside each testicular lobule we have 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. Okay, I hope you will remember this. Okay, and seminiferous tubule on its inside is lined by two types of cells. Inside seminiferous tubule we have two types of cells, namely Leydig cells, male germ cells, spermatogonia or Sertoli cells. Namely spermatogonia, male germ cells, or another cells known as Sertoli and Sertoli cells. Okay, we'll see what's the function of spermatogonia and what's the function of Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia, another name of it is male germ cells. What's the function of spermatogonia now? You know, they are male germ cells. They will undergo division, which will finally lead to formation of sperms. But it's not easy. It's not like this will divide and will get converted into sperm. No. I'll just discuss this, I'll explain all this in our another session known as spermatogenesis. But for now, you please remember what's the function of spermatogonia or male germ cell, which lies inside there, which lies inside this which lies inside this sorry, male, we have male germ cells, spermatogonia, right? What's the function of Hold on. What's the function of seminiferous tubule? It contains two types of cells, spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. What is the function of spermatogonia? It will undergo division. It will undergo division, which will finally lead to the formation of Sertoli cells. And Sertoli cells, what's the function of Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the sperms. Sertoli cells just function, it provides nourishment. Likewise, tapetum cells were providing nourishment to the growing pollen grains. Then vegetative cell was providing nourishment to the pollen grains or male gametes, right? Same is the case here. Sertoli cells provide nourishment. Okay, they provide nourishment. I hope this concept is clear, right? Great. And here we have a space. Can you see the space? Can I draw the space? This space. This space. This space outside the seminiferous tubules, right? This space has, lots of cells known as Leydig cells, or another name of Leydig cells are interstitial cells. Okay, cells outside this seminiferous tubule are known as interstitial cells or Leydig cells. What's the function of these cells now? These cells, they secrete a hormone, androgens, testosterone. Okay, their function is to provide and produce androgens, produce testosterone. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now it was all about testes. Now we will see accessory ducts. What's the function of ducts? Simply ducts, what they do, they just simply carry substances, carry whatsoever they have to carry from one place to another. Similarly, in testes, sperms are formed. Now they have to be, traveled from testes to the external genitalia, that is penis. How can we travel? We can't provide them metro. We can't provide them, any bus, any car. They have to travel through ducts. Okay, these are the ducts which will help them to travel from testes to outside the penis. Okay. Male sex accessory ducts include retitestes. What? Retitestes, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens. Okay, these are basically what? Male sex accessory ducts. These are ducts. Seminiferous tubule, what will do? Seminiferous tubules, inside which cells were found? Obviously, those were Sertoli cells and spermatogonia, male germ cells. These seminiferous tubules will leave the, testes. They will leave the testes. They have to carry now, sperm. They will leave testes and will open up into the epididymis. Seminiferous tubule opens into epididymis. Okay. After epididymis, they will, open up into vasa efferentia through retitestes. Wait. Okay. The seminiferous tubule will open into vasa efferentia. Sorry. They will open into vasa efferentia through retitestes. Seminiferous tubule of they will open into vasa efferentia through which they will open up into vasa efferentia through retitestes. Okay. Vasa efferentia will open up into epididymis. Vasa efferentia will open up into vasa efferentia will open up into epididymis. Okay. Finally, epididymis will lead to vas deferens. Epididymis will lead to vas deferens that ascends to the, say for example, two vas deferens are like this. They will ascend over the urinary bladder like this, and they will enter into the male external genitalia, that is penis. Okay. And they will open, loop over the urinary bladder. This vas deferens will receive a duct from seminal vesicle and will open up into urethra, and finally it will get connected with, sorry, vas deferens, it will get, it will get something from seminal vesicle. Finally, what will happen? It will opens into urethra. It will opens into urethra as ejaculatory duct through which ejaculation will take place. Okay. I hope this concept of, what we call it as, uh, red ducts is clear, right? Now we have, okay, say for example this is penis. Okay. Penis has, a large fold of skin like this at its end. known as glans penis. Okay, and it has an opening hole-like structure. That hole-like structure is known as urethral meatus, through which ejaculation took place, through which urination took place. Okay, I hope this concept is clear, right? Now we know penis is male external genitalia and it's made up of special tissue. Penis is made up of special tissue, that tissue which helps in erection. Okay, because during insemination, erection is really very necessary. Okay, so penis is made up of special tissue which helps it in erection. Okay, it's made up of special tissue which helps in erection. And enlarged end of penis is known as glans penis, as I said. And that glans penis is, it's covered by a loose fold of skin. That skin is known as foreskin. Okay, that skin is known as foreskin. Please remember. Okay, and we have so many glands, as I already mentioned. We have gland seminal vesicles. We have gland seminal vesicles are in pair, two in number. Prostate gland, that is one in number. Bulbourethral gland, that is two in number. Okay, and secretion of these glands are very necessary because, uh, after the secretion of these glands, seminal plasma is formed. After secretion of these glands, seminal plasma is formed. These secretion will lead to the formation of, what we call it as seminal plasma, and that is rich in fructose, it's rich in calcium, so on and so forth. And one more point, important point: this seminal plasma, along with sperm, will form semen, a fluid. Okay, a fluid which is ejaculated by males during insemination. Okay, that fluid is known as semen. And it's not like during insemination males will only ejaculate sperm. No, it's actually semen which gets ejaculated, which also contains seminal plasma along with sperms. I hope this session is clear. You need to revise it thoroughly. You need to revise it through your NCRT once again. And I have covered mainly all the points of NCRT. So please remain stick to NCRT. You will get, you will clear Neet with flying colors. Okay. We'll meet you in any other such session. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you so much.